Hello guys, welcome to day 64 of the 100 days of technical analysis. I am Pelumi and today I'll be talking about ANKR network Bitcoin. Okay, I'll be doing my analysis on the daily time frame, the 4 hour and the hourly chart. Okay, here we are on the daily chart. Okay, we see a rounding bottom here, price bottomed here, went up, came back down, tried to break the top of this. Well, I think it did. Yeah, it did. But after that, it was followed by a retrace here. Okay. So I believe this is a retrace currently going on here. And the retrace has formed a down sloping pennant. Okay. That's formed the down sloping pennant. Okay. So whenever I see a down sloping pennant, I expect price to, of course, go up. All right, because a pennant is a half staff pattern. It is usually in between um an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, so by half staff pattern, I mean, let me draw something. Okay, I mean this is half of the move, and this would complete the other half. Okay, so trading this on the daily time frame, I expect a confirmation, which is I expect price to break out from the top here. I expect price to break this trend line before I enter the trade. So I'll be using a stop of wow, this might be really huge, but let's move it here. Yeah, okay, so it's fair now. Trade idea will be invalidated when price breaks this lower trend line after crossing this box here. Okay, so TP1 would be 32% and TP2 would be about 73%. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this is the 4 hour time frame. Sorry, my chart is messing up again. Okay, let's go back now. Yeah, so this is the 4 hour time frame, and what do we see? Just the normal bounce in between trend line. Okay, price bounced off here, bounced off here. I was not able to reach here, but bounced off here again, came back here, bounced off here, and right now this is looking like a small double bottom. Okay, this is looking like a small double bottom, which means once price crosses um once price crosses here, we can be sure price would definitely break this box over here. Okay, but that's not a certainty. So we still have to wait for price to break this upper trend line as well as the box over here before we enter the trade. It is very, very important we wait for confirmations, as a lot of things could be going on in the markets. We might actually be looking at a minor move, so it is best to wait for confirmations to increase the probability of winning trades. Okay, so let's go to the hourly chart now. Wow, this is really big on the hourly. Okay, so on the hourly, the double bottom is quite clear here. The double bottom is quite clear. over here. So I'll be okay. Apart from the double bottom, I know I've mentioned this particular pattern here a few times. So this pattern is usually a continuation pattern. Whenever I see this pattern, I expect price to do something like this on the third or fourth candle. Okay, so we might see another red candle here, but I'm quite sure the fourth candle should be a green and it should be a long one. Okay, so let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, all right, that would be all for today. Thank you all for coming around. Do have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow.